Being a luthier and making stringed instruments is a very traditional vocation. My instruments are painstakingly crafted over a period of 1 or 2 years for a specific client. So it really is quite a ritual process. There are plenty of different methodologies for making a guitar. Mine is very specific, and I own it, and this is what I teach in my school. My classes are structured so that a weekend seminar, 6 hours on a Saturday and Sunday, you can come and build a tube amp or a hi-fi amp, or execute a fret job on an instrument, or take my setup and maintenance seminar, or bone nut and saddle making. I've had students come from Australia to take design and theory and build a guitar. It can fit nicely into a short tour or trip with the family. Crafting an instrument by hand from your own design is a very personal experience. It's a way of reaching back to our primordial needs and fulfilling them, and helping catch up so that we can learn to control these materials and create wonderful things. It's been 32 years, and now I have my ledger sports over 800 instruments that I've made. It's like a family out there. It's all my kids traveling around the world.